Use of walk in sentences. We walk to school every morning. This sentence is in the present indefinite tense, indicating a habitual or routine action that happens regularly. Let's see the second sentence. He walks his dog in the park every evening. This is another example of using present simple tense. I hope you are enjoying this video and learning a lot of this stuff. Let's see the third sentence. We decided to walk instead of taking a taxi. This sentence is in the past simple, indicating a completed action that happened at a specific point in the past. Let's see the fourth sentence. He walked home after the movie ended. And the correct pronunciation of this word, walked, not walked, walked. He walked home. Let us see the final sentence using the word walk. They love to walk along the beach at sunset. Do you like sunsets? Write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.